Hi everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common question for many Ford Explorer owners: how to reset your tire pressure sensor light. This light can come on for various reasons. Maybe you just filled your tires. Perhaps you rotated them. Or you might have even replaced a sensor. Whatever the reason, resetting it is usually a simple process. We'll cover a few methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your Explorer. First, let's discuss the most common and often easiest method: the driving reset. For this to work, ensure all your tires are inflated to the correct PSI. You can find the recommended pressure on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Once your tires are properly inflated, you need to drive your Explorer. Drive at a speed of 50 miles per hour or more for at least 10 to 20 minutes. This consistent speed allows the system to relearn the tire pressures. The light should then turn off on its own. Be patient, sometimes it takes the full duration. Another method, which applies to some older Explorer models, involves a manual reset button. Not all Explorers have this button, so don't worry if you can't find it. If your Explorer does have one, it's typically located under the dashboard, near the parking brake, or sometimes inside the glove compartment. To use it, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the reset button until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times. Then, release the button. Start your car and drive for a few minutes. The system should then recalibrate. For many newer Ford Explorers, you can reset the sensor through the vehicle's information display. This is accessed using the controls on your steering wheel. Navigate to the Settings menu. Look for Driver Assist or Vehicle Settings. Within that menu, you should find an option for Tire Pressure Monitor or TPMS. Select this option. Then, you might see a Reset or Relearn function. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the reset. Once confirmed, you may still need to drive your vehicle for a short period, as mentioned before, for the system to fully relearn. If none of these methods work, or if you've recently replaced a faulty sensor, you might need a special TPMS relearn tool. These tools send a signal to each sensor, forcing them to transmit their pressure readings to the car's computer. You can often buy these tools online, or a local auto parts store might rent them out. Using one usually involves activating each sensor, starting with the front left, then front right, and finally rear left, in that order. The car will usually give a horn chirp or a light flash to confirm each sensor has been read. A few final tips: always check your spare tire's pressure too, as some systems include it. Make sure your tire pressure gauge is accurate. If the light stays on after trying all these steps, it could indicate a truly faulty sensor or a more complex issue. In that case, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope this guide helps you get that tire pressure light off your dashboard. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful car maintenance tips and guides. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.